Welcome my friends to my first video tutorial on Java, and so let's begin. First of all, let's understand what is Java. As we know, Java is an object oriented programming language, okay, but Java is a platform also. Programming language, let's see what is programming language. Java is an object oriented programming language that allows you to write source code, okay, and this source code is robust, secure, and platform independent. And this source code contains some instruction which machine can easily understand. And let's see how Java is a platform. A platform means any hardware or a software environment which allows a program to run inside. Okay, it means it provides some basic environment to a program. Since Java has its own runtime, that is the Java runtime environment, and it has own set of API, that is the application programming interface. Hence, we consider a Java as a platform also, as you can see in the image also. Okay. Now let's move to the next topic. Now let's see the history and some interesting fact about Java. As in earlier in 1991, Java was developed by James Gosling and team, and James Gosling is considered as father of Java. The Java was initially developed at Sun Microsystem and currently acquired by the Oracle Corporation. And the initial name was given to Java was Oak, but it is already a registered trademark at that time, so it was renamed to Java in 1995. And initially the team was working under this project was known as Project Green, and the idea behind the developing this language was to create a programming language for the handheld devices or embedded devices such as set-top boxes, televisions, PDA, and many more. And as a fact, today Java is everywhere. Now let's see how Java works. Means it allows you to write source code. Okay, once we write the source code, we'll save the file, we'll save the source code with the .java extension. As in an image, you can see we have given the program name, that is the my program with extension .java. Now we compile this program with the Java compiler, okay, and we have Java virtual machine to execute the program. Okay, it means Java uses compiler as well as Java virtual machine to execute the program. Now first, the source code which is written and it has extension .java will be compiled by the compiler, and the compiler name is javac. Now as the program is compiled, this compiler will generate the class file, okay, and this class file contains the bytecode. Now this class file will be executed by the Java virtual machine, and this Java virtual machine employs compiler, that is the just-in-time compiler, as well as Java interpreter. So on demand it will use either Java interpreter or a compiler. So first your program is compiled by the javac compiler, it will generate the bytecode that in class file, then the Java virtual machine will execute this code. So this is the whole procedure. First we will write down the source code, that is the my program.java. Then using the Java compiler we will compile the code. After compilation we will get the class file, okay, and this class file contains the bytecode. Now this bytecode can be understood by the Java virtual machine, and this virtual machine contains interpreter as well as just-in-time compiler, and this virtual machine will execute this program on the computer or machine. So that's how the program is compiled and executed on Java. Now we know the Java is one of the most popular programming language. One of the reason is it is platform independent, means we write the program once and run it anywhere. Okay, that is the Vora. So this is how the Java is a platform independent. First, we compile the code, source code. Okay, this compiler will generate the bytecode rather than generating the machine code. Now, a machine code, unlike C compiler, which directly executes the program, rather than it will generate the bytecode, and the bytecode is not executable code. Instead, we require Java virtual machine. Okay, and this Java virtual machine will execute the program. So each and every operating system has its own Java virtual machine. So source code will be the same for all the version of Java virtual machine, but the JVM itself is different for all the operating system. So Java is a platform independent, but JVM is platform dependent. So you can see in the right side in that image, a source code will be the same for any operating system. Then compiler will be the same, and the bytecode which will be generated by compiler is specific for the machine, and it has a specific JVM which interprets this code and will execute that code. I hope you liked my video, so please subscribe to my channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.